Pacvac corded machines are assembled with the cord restraint attached. To fit a replacement, follow these simple steps. Hold the cord restraint by the end without slits and place over the middle section of the harness. As you do this, the smooth side should be facing you. Push the end through the slit in the middle. Making a loop behind with the restraint. Pass the short lead through the loop you just made to secure it to the machine. Holding both parts together, push the middle slit up over the grooves to tighten the short lead to the machine. Plug the short lead to the extension lead. Make a loop with the extension lead and feed through the slit at the end of the cord restraint. Push the extension lead over the other end of the rubber to secure it to the machine. Pull down to tighten. Push the plug into the slots on the machine and secure with the hook and loop fastener. Pull down on the lead to ensure it's all secure.